Hi, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are making Vietnamese iced coffee. We are going to start by brewing a cup of coffee. So pour a glass of water into your coffee maker. And then we're going to go ahead and add 3 teaspoons of coffee. I'm using medium grind, medium roast coffee. We are adding 3 teaspoons because we want our coffee to be as dark as possible. Then you go ahead and cover that and put it on low heat. And then we're going to let it brew for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after that time, our coffee is ready and briskly hot. And then we're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. I have also done a video on how to make sweetened condensed milk. Click on the link on the top right of your video to see that. At this stage, you're going to add in your hot coffee. You have to add it hot so that it dissolves in the cold sweetened condensed milk. Then you're going to go ahead and stir so that you can get that creamy sweetness all around your drink. And once that is done, we're going to put this into an ice bath so that it cools down rapidly. Leave it there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and add a few ice cubes into a tall glass. And then finally, we're going to add our iced coffee into the glass. And now you can enjoy your Vietnamese iced coffee. My hope is that you've learned something new today about making Vietnamese iced coffee. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, share. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Until next time, goodbye.